want to go to Bangladesh. My best friend.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
Oh, South Korea. What do you do?
I'm studying Spain and English.
Oh, yeah, okay, got it. Do you have any work alongside your study? Oh, you
I'm hair designer.
hair designer. Oh, good. Very cool. Yeah. So I like your hair. So give me your hair.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah.
Your hair. So, bright is bright.
Okay. What is the name of city where you live actually?
I'm, I'm living in Incheon City.
Incheon City.
Yeah.
Incheon City. Okay. I will note down on my pad. One day I will come over in South Korea and go to the Incheon City directly to find the Minzy. To find the Minzy.
Yeah.
Uh,
Minty or new.
yeah. Okay. So how old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
22. 2 years old. Okay. So young.
Yeah.
Really so young.
How about
So you guess me how old I am?
24,
Go up,
5,
up,
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 20, up,
more up,
30,
little bit down.
28,
29.
29.
29.
Oh, oh.
Do you like to travel?
Hmm.
Oh.
I want to go to Bangladesh,
Yeah.
but I work here every day. Hard work. Oh,
So take a vacation for a couple of the weeks and then come over here in Bangladesh. I will help you as an interpreter. No problem.
oh really? Thank
Yeah,
you.
really.
Really?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
Yeah, if you come here.
감동인데.
Yeah, if you come here in Bangladesh, I will go to my airport when you will land here on my country and I will receive you from my airport.
I'm touched. But why help me?
I want to help you because I like to welcome to every single foreigner in my country. This is my fashion. I like to be an interpreter. I mean, I will help you as a language. You don't know my language, but I will translate English to you. Okay, so it's really so easy to move around here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, my best friend.
Yeah, thank you. Really, I will do help you, promise you. You are my best friend.
Okay, yeah, you. Boom. Your name is
My name is Gazi.
Gazi.
Yeah,
Hmm?
yeah. Do you want to make a good friend with me? Sure? Oh, goodness. So one day, I will come in South Korea. Yeah.
When you come here,
In 2024 from March or April.
March on April.
Yeah.
April.
Yeah, but please don't forget me. Don't forget me. I will find you.
Hmm? Okay. I don't know interesting place in Korea. Korea. Either I
Yeah, either. Okay, yeah, either. Okay, I understand.
Oh, I haven't played.
Oh, okay, I understand. So I will just go to your business shop where you just make a hair design. Just meet you and have a cup of coffee or tea or anything like that. Then I will go back to my restaurant in Menchi City.
Oh, when you come to Korea
Yeah,
and here,
yeah.
I make your hair and drink coffee and tea and could go to a restaurant.
Oh, really?
Okay?
Oh, okay, really. So appreciated for you. I will add. I will add on your Instagram. Okay. I won't forget
Okay.
you. I won't forget you. I wanna to. I
Okay.
wanna to keep a big relationship between you and me. I wanna to make a good relationship.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay.
I think I can speak English better if you talk to you.
Oh, oh
I like
yes.
to talk.
So thank you for joining here. I'm really so happy and appreciated for you that I have got a actual, beautiful, and really so kind girl from South Korea. So thank you so much. Have a good night.
Thank you. It's really, 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 really nice to meet you too. And
Okay, it's very, 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 very nice to see you also. I'm really, I'm really so happy and have a good night.